Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I look a bit disheveled, but it's my busy week. I usually have like one fairly busy week at work throughout the month, and this was the week. So I apologize, I've been really bad about comments and everything this week, but it's my busy week, and I think it's finally now on the slow down, so hopefully I will catch up. But I wanted to share this with you guys today. So this good little package just arrived today. It is from that Smell Good shop, which I do believe is in Florida. I don't know anything about this company other than the fact that I bought these on their website, like ready to ship, I guess you could say. They were just like available to send to me. I didn't have to like pre-order them or wait any time. I mean, I ordered them, I waited like the standard whatever 5 like processing days, and they've shipped them to me. So like I said, I don't know a lot. I'm just gonna go through some stuff. I like added a bunch of the little, I don't know what they're called, tester like scent, I don't know, I normally call them like scent shots because I feel like that's what certain people call them. Other people might call them different things. There's no like packing slip or anything, so I'm just gonna roll with it. Right on top, they came in this nice little baggie, which I may keep them in until, if they don't have the pour dates, which I don't think they do, I might keep them in here until I feel like they're like officially cured, and then I'll maybe put them in something else. So I'm gonna start off with the sample she included, which is called Celtic Moon Spice. It says the notes are cinnamon, nutmeg, and clove. So sounds like spice. It's definitely spicy. It's not as bad when it's outside of this little bag, which honestly, this just kind of looks like a little Ziploc. Well, it's pretty thick. It might be, not a Ziploc. I may cut this up and divide it to mix in with things, because I don't know that I would want this like on its own unless it's, I don't know, maybe Christmas. But I'll maybe mix it with like a bakery or something, and it would probably be okay. So that was the free sample. And then I got, like I said, I got all those little like tester things. However, I do believe these 2 scents I ordered 2 of these little things. And so I think they, I don't know, the owner of the shop or whatever sent me these, like, since I ordered 2 of the same scent. So, and because I don't remember ordering like a 6 little thing of anything. So the first one is donut holes, which is cinnamon sugar sprinkled donut holes. I figured this would be lovely to mix with anything. I love how it's like pink, brown, and white. I'm guessing that's why I got it like this. Oh yes, this definitely smells like donut holes. It smells like a little heavy on the cinnamon. Not as heavy when you take them out, but definitely like cinnamon donut holes. The next one I got was toasty coconut, slightly nutty aroma of bits of toasted coconut. Same thing, I got the 6. See if I can get one of these little boys out. I'm getting the nuttiness, I feel like. I don't feel like I'm really getting the coconut. But of course, I don't know when these were poured. Should I know based on anything on here? I don't feel like it says anything. I feel like I'm getting the nuttiness and not the coconut. So we will see. I have 6 little cubes to test, so I have plenty to try out. I feel like once you really take things out of the box, because they come all like so close together, I feel like you gotta kind of like take things out and let them breathe a little bit. I find that with some of my orders at least. Okay, so the rest are these little cup things, and I'm just gonna go over them. So this is Sinistroodle. It says pastry goodness, cinnamon, and vanilla. And it's like a couple different colors, which is really cool. This smells like definitely like a cinnamon pastry type of situation. Yeah, it smells good. It's like bakery cinnamon. It's not too heavy on the cinnamon. So I will enjoy that. These are so cute little like containers. I love that. Okay, just gonna grab and go. This is, this one I just tried on a whim. Some of these I really honestly just tried on a whim. This one says it's a customer blend. It's Boardwalk Marshmallow Clouds, Blue Sugar, and Downy Clean Breeze. This isn't something that necessarily would be in my wheelhouse, but I was just like trying to get out of my comfort zone and try things. Yeah, this is definitely a laundry scent, but I do see where it has the Blue Sugar and the Boardwalk Marshmallow Clouds. It's not just like straight up laundry. The bottom's a little more laundry forward. The top, I get more of that Boardwalk Marshmallow Clouds and the Blue Sugar, just a hint of that. So I'm curious to try this. Like I said, just wanted to like step outside my comfort zone a little bit. The next one is Cancer, which is actually my sign. What are those called? It's the zodiac sign. My birthday falls into Cancer. So when I seen they had these on there, I was like, okay, and they had mine available. I was like, and in like notes I thought I would like, I was very happy. So the notes are Toasty Mallow, Tres Leches, and Fruity Pebbles, and this says limited release under it. I think they did like a zodiac type of, I was gonna say collection, I don't know. Let me pop it out. I definitely get the Fruity Pebbles on the bottom. I don't know if these layers are supposed to mean anything. I feel like the Toasty Mallow part of it is light. Like you're not like getting that smacked out in the face. But I feel like I get it, just a hint of it. Honestly, I don't know what Tres Leches would smell like because it's like I don't know what it would like cake, like faint cake. I have no idea what that would smell like, but I do like Tres Leches. So I'll be curious to try that one when it actually warms up. Next is Boardwalk Marshmallow Clouds, which is marshmallow cream, magnolia blossoms, and sandalwood. Once again, the pretty colors. Oh yeah, this is good. I love Boardwalk Marshmallow Clouds, so yes, like every possible vendor I can get it in, I will get it in because I absolutely love it. Oh, that smells good. I don't know. I'm trying to find my favorite one and then just buy a lot of it, honestly. Okay, another one I kind of just went out on a limb on. Black Coconut, Cherry Slush, Toasty Caramel Apples, which is also a customer blend. I don't know if this is focusing. I love these colors. Oh, this one smells interesting. I definitely get the cherry. I definitely get the cherry, and it smells like a cherry slush. It really does. I don't know that I'm getting any of those other notes. Yeah, I really, definitely on the bottom, cherry. Maybe a hint of caramel apple, if I really was thinking about it. Next is Strawberry Cakes, and I think I got this one because Beth J had recommended it. Don't quote me on that, but she had hauled some of these, and I think this one she recommended. It's strawberry cakes, vanilla cake, and fresh strawberries. I'm definitely starting to get into like the strawberry mood of, oh, look at that. I like that. The strawberry mood for like spring, summer. This one kind of reminds me of strawberry pound cake in a way. Oh, fresh strawberry on the bottom. Oh, that's good. Yeah, the top definitely is more of that cakey note. Reminds me of strawberry pound cake. The bottom definitely has the, like the fresh strawberry. A lot of these are stronger on the bottom, which is interesting. And that leads me to believe they've been like sitting a while, but I guess I don't know. This next one is Coffee Brule, fresh coffee and creme brulee. There's the color. Oh wow, yeah, this smells like coffee. Oh, it smells interesting on the bottom. It's like definitely coffee mixed with something, but I can't put my finger on what it's mixed with. Yeah, I want to try just a lot of coffee blends. I don't know why, but I'm just like kind of in that mode right now. I'm just trying to find all the coffee blends. And maybe it's the creme brulee. I don't know. It's like almost a bit caramely, but a mix of almost like burnt coffee. That was kind of interesting. The next one's also a customer blend. It's Sinistroodle, Cider Lane, and Sugar Cookie. Love that color with that blue. Oh, I definitely get the Cider Lane in here. I really enjoy Cider Lane. To me, Cider Lane's kind of like a caramel apple. Ooh, I'm getting a lot of Cider Lane in here. Yeah, that's good. I don't know about, I mean, the other ones are kind of just like adding cinnamon sugar to it, so. Pink Sands is next. Sparkling Citrus, Decadent, Delicate Petals, and Vanilla. I'm hoping this will be like the Yankee Candle one. Oh, I'm making a mess with this one. There's little pieces falling out. I will not pop this one out then. This does smell like the Yankee Candle one. Did you see that? It's going up my nose. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I was sniffing it and the little particles are literally going up my nose. Need to clearly be more careful. I feel like I can find a Scentsy dupe for this, potentially. So we'll see how that one goes, but I really like that scent from Yankee Candle. Making a mess. The next one's Banana Nut Bread. I feel like this is another one I'm really trying from everybody. It's walnuts, banana, and spiced vanilla. Because you can't have, like, you really have to have a good banana nut bread wax. And I feel like a ton of them just kind of have the banana runsy type smell. Like, this is very banana runs. But this is, I get more like banana in this than I do the nut bread. So this might be one that I could like semi-mix with this little cinnamon spice dealy to give it a little more something else. The next one's Zucchini Pastries, Sweet Ice Pastries, and Zucchini Bread. I love this color too. Zucchini Bread, definitely. Oh, I've personally, I feel like I really like zucchini bread, but I know some people are kind of like hit or miss on it. The next one is Toasty Mallow, which I actually have two of. So I don't know how this happened, but this is Golden Brown Marshmallow, which this has been in other things that we've smelled. It's pretty light. It's definitely not Marshmallow Fireside. It's very sweet. The bottom almost smells like plasticky. That's interesting. So we'll see how that one does. Let me smell this one too. This one's lighter. Let me see if I can pop it out. Yeah, this one has that same weird smell on the bottom. I don't know if it's like just whatever gives it the toastiness is making it kind of smell weird. Oh, I got another Pink Sands, which is, I'm hoping the little like Yankee Candle dupe situation. And then I got this customer blend, Banana Nut Bread, Apple Butter Caramel. That is the blend. There's the color. This is good. It's like banana nut bread and caramel apples. That's very unique. I never would have thought to mix those, so that's fun. And then the last little one is Coconut Sugared Lavender and Pink Sands. This is another customer blend, and it's purple and pink. This one feels like it was poured more recent. I don't know if that makes sense, but it just like the texture is almost different. What is that? What does this have in it again? Oh, lavender. Right. Yeah, that makes more sense. I get the Pink Sands definitely though, and lavender. Once again, no coconut. I don't know. I mean, I don't even feel like I got a lot of coconut in the Toasty Coconut. So maybe their coconut's a bit lighter. I don't know. So I'm really excited to try these out. One interesting thing about this vendor is you can go back on their website and plug in and just like order a 6-pack or 12-pack or even bigger, I think, or different types of shapes of things if you like really love some of these scents, which I thought was really awesome because a lot of vendors are kind of hard to order from. Like you really got to know when what is releasing and those types of things. So I did really appreciate that I could just order these things on the website. I think they do still have restocks, maybe. I really don't know anything about it, but I heard somebody saying that. So I don't know what that entails, but I'm just saying I know nothing about this vendor and I just could go on their website and order, and that makes me happy. So yeah, this is kind of what I thought I would check out. If you have a scent from them that you were like, you need to check this out, let me know. I made a big list and they didn't have a lot of things that people either had mentioned or I like was kind of interested in. So if there is some of that, let me know in case I'm making a future order, I guess. But that's all I have for this video here today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.